Hi, my name is Howe, and I'll be teaching you how to do a Mann-Whitney test. So we're going to start off with two different tests, and we're determining whether there's a difference between test 1 and test 2. So each test has 6 results in each column, as you can see. And our null hypothesis is going to be that there's not a difference between these two tests, while our alternative hypothesis is going to be that there is a difference between these two tests. And we're going to have an assigned alpha of 0.05 and assume that these two tests are, this test is going to be a two-tailed test. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with a ranked chart. And so all you have to do is just create a chart with an order for however many sample size you have. In this case it's 12, and we're just going to go lowest to highest. Lowest numbers getting the first scores. So as you can see here, we have 2 in the lowest spot and 10 in the highest. And then we're just going to group together our same numbers. In this case we have 6 cases of this, or 3 if you will, 6 different numbers. So the 2's got grouped together, 5's and 6's. And what we're going to have to do to this is we're going to have to average their ranks so they can share a spot. And the way you do this is you just take the rank of each one and add them together and divide it by 2, just giving the average. So for the 2's, they're going to get the 1.5 position, the 5's get the 5.5 position, and the 6's will get the 7.5 position. After that, we are going to sum up each of the tests. We're going to sum up each of their ranked from the column. So as you can see, the 7 got the 9th position here. So we're going to, and the 6 got 7.5, and we're going to add all of those together in order to get the sum of each one. And our result of that was we had the test 1 had 58, and test 2 had a result of 23. And so the formula we were using for the Mann-Whitney test is rank sum minus n times n plus 1 over 2. And so we just calculated our rank sum. And so we're going to do a formula for each one. And so we're going to take our rank sum minus our n, which is 6, times 6 plus 1, which is 7 over 2. We get 34. And the next step is to find our crit value. And we're just going to look at the crit values of a Mann-Whitney test chart here. And as easy as this is, we're good because we have 6 test results for each of the 2 tests. We just go to 6 on the top here and 6 on the left. And slide over on the top part of it, of the 0.05 to the right. And we're going to hit the 5 mark to find our critical value is 5. As we calculated before, our lowest Mann-Whitney test stat is 2, which is what we're going to go with. And since 2 is below 5, we find that there is a difference between the 2 tests.